Hire a temporary faculty member. The hiring process is used if the newly selected temp faculty does not exist in PeopleSoft. Verify whether the person exists in the database. Navigate to CSU ID Search by going to Main Menu, CSU ID Search. The CSU ID Search displays. Do several searches using the different criteria to verify if the person is already in the database. In this example, the first and last name is used. A second search criteria could also be made using the SSN or National ID. Click Search. The CSU ID search page displays with empty boxes if this person is not in the database. If the person is found in your search in the database, add a future hire person of interest, POI, relationship, and complete the CSU contract data. This would be located in the Rehire a Temporary Faculty After a Break in Service, Chapter 2F. The area to focus on is Add a POI relationship. If the person is not found in the database, add the person's biographical data as well as the POI relationship. Add a new person to the database. Navigate to Add a Person, Workforce Administration, Personal Information, Biographical, Add a Person. Click the Add Person tab. The biographical details page displays. Leave the default effective date if it is before the appointment date, or override the effective date if it is after the appointment date. Change it to the first date of the appointment. Click the Add Name link. The Edit Name page displays. Enter name information, first name, middle name, which is optional, last name. Click OK. The biographical details page displays. Enter the following: date of birth, gender, highest educational level, national ID, also known as the Social Security number. To navigate to the Contact Information page, select the Contact Information tab at the top of the page. The Contact Information page displays. Click the Add Address Detail link. The Address History page displays. Click the Add Address link. The Edit Address page displays. Enter the address data: address, city, state, postal, which is also known as the zip code, then click OK. The Address History page displays. Note, the address now appears in the address history. If additional addresses need to be added, click the plus icon and enter the address information. Click OK. The Contact Information page displays. Enter the phone information. Select phone type, enter telephone number, check the preferred box, and then enter the email address, select email type, enter email address, check the preferred box. Then select the Organizational Relationships tab on the top page. The Organizational Relationships page display. Click the Person of Interest box. At the drop-down, select Future Hire. Click the Add Relationship button. The Person of Interest type page displays. Note, an employee ID is assigned. Click the plus icon at the Security Access Type area 2 times to add 2 rows for a total of 3 rows. In the first row, the Security Access Type is Business Unit. The business unit is SJ000. In the second row, the Security Access Type is Location. Business unit is SJ000, and the location code is the department campus mailing zip code. In the third row, the Security Access Type is POI Department. The business unit is SJ000, and the department is the department ID. Click the plus sign 1 time to add an additional row in the Person of Interest history area, since the default is 1 row. Row 2 should have the following information filled out: effective date, today's date or hiring date if you were notified after the original start date. Status: A for active, planned exit, a week or two after the second paycheck. More information: the lecturer rank and department initials. Row 1 should have the following information filled out: effective date, 1 day after the planned exit date in row 2. Status: I for inactive, planned exit, leave blank, more information, leave blank. Click OK. The organizational relationships page displays. Note, the EMPL ID appears again. Write it down and click Save. Complete the contract data for the terms and conditions. Navigate to CSU Contract Data page. Main menu. CSU Temp Faculty, CSU Contract Data. The CSU Contract Data page displays. It's best to double-check and enter the SJSU ID in the EMPL ID area in order to make sure the contract data being entered for the semester or academic year does not exist already. If it doesn't, then click the Add a New Value tab. Enter the following data: EMPL ID. Enter the ID for the person just added or the existing EMPL ID. CSU contract number. Leave as new. Department. Enter your 4-digit department number. Click Add. The contract status content page displays. Enter information about the overall terms and conditions. Effective date, which is the first working day. Contract description, naming convention, last name, underscore, semester or academic year with the year, underscore, department. Example, faculty underscore F16 underscore JMC. Term end date, last date of work. Contract type, semester, academic year, etc. Complete the TF contract details section. Position number, term, comp rate, total WTU, comments. For example, hire for fall 2016 at 6.0 WTUs. This information will be used to communicate what is being done to faculty affairs and HR. Click on the magnifying glass to search for items if unknown. Click the plus sign to insert another row semester if needed in the TF contract detail area. Add information again to the TF contract detail area. This example is for one semester appointment. Navigate and click on the TF Contract Total tab. The TF Contract Total page displays. Letter code, enter CN1. Review all data for accuracy and click Save. Generate and print the terms and conditions. The entered contract data will appear on the terms and conditions. Navigate to Temp Fac Contract by EMPL ID. SJSU Human Resources, Workforce Administration, Temp Fac Contract by EMPL ID. The TF Contract by EMPL ID page displays. At the Find the Existing Value area, click Search. Click on a Run Control ID link. To add a new Run Control ID if one does not exist, click the Add a New Value tab. Type in a Run Control ID. It could be your name or a name of a process. Spaces are not allowed. If spaces are needed, use an underscore. Click Add. From now on, you can use the same Run Control ID by clicking Search on the Find an Existing Value page or type in the name of the Run Control. The TF Contract by EMPL ID page is displayed. Enter information on the TF Contract by EMPL ID page. Employee ID, contract number, due date, dean's name. Click Run. The Process Scheduler Request page displays. Verify settings and edit if needed. Server name, PSUNX, type, web, format, PDF, then click OK. The TF Contract by EMPL ID page is displayed again. A process instance is assigned. Click the Process Monitor link. Click Refresh to update the run status. When run status shows success and the distribution status is posted, click Details. Click the View Log Trace link. Then click the PDF link. Verify the data, then print the terms and conditions. Generate and print the appointment form. The next step is to generate and print the appointment. The form will be used to communicate the hire data to Human Resources. Human Resources will perform the hire process. Navigate to the appointment revision form. Main menu, SJSU Human Resources, Workforce Administration, TFTAGA Appointment Revision Form. The TFTAGA Appointment Revision Form page displays. At the Find an Existing Value tab, click Search. Click on a Run Control ID link. The TFTAGA Appointment Revision Form Parameters page displays. Enter the following data: EMPL ID, contract number, new appointment form, action reason, which is HIRAPT, effective date, only if the second set of action reason codes are used. Data entered in the field will print on the appointment form. Action reason boxes only used if you have another action taking place, typically for funding changes such as splits. Action reason codes JEDFSC for funding changes. Initiating official, which is the department chair or director. Appointing official, dean or AVP. Department contact, name and phone. Your name and phone number. Funding changes area. This area is optional and only used if the appointment is being funded differently from the position setup. Please contact your dean's office for further information. Department. Enter the department number funding the employee's salary. Fund. Enter the 5-digit fund number. Class. Optional. Enter the class number if being used. Project. Optional. Enter the project number if being used. Percent. Enter the percentage number being funded from the department and fund provided. Effective date and end dates. Enter the dates the funding will cover. Click Run. The Process Schedule Request page displays. Verify settings and edit if needed. Server name, PSUNX. Type, Web. Format, PDF. Then click OK. A process instance is assigned. Click the Process Monitor link. Click Refresh to update the run status. When the run status shows success and distribution status is posted, click Details. Click the View Log Trace link. Click the PDF link. The appointment form displays. Verify the data, print the form, obtain signatures and forward to appropriate offices for eventual hiring. Reiterate the appointment information or other info as needed. Example, hire for fall 2016 at 6.0 WTUs. Note, comments entered in TF Contract Detail Comments box populate in this box. The record number will be blank until HR enters the hire. The job history section will not populate with data until HR enters the hire